Hello everyone and good morning.
Good morning, Vikas.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
Ashwin. Good morning, Santosh. Good morning, Umar. And good morning, Chandan. Good morning, everyone. Cool. As you guys are very much aware that we are in the day 5 and we have to start the technical things into the Linux as per the today's agenda. Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vikas.
Right, cool. Just before that, just a couple of seconds because I don't want any student to be confused. Where is the recording? Where is the details? So I'm just explaining you again. You have to go only to my website, CloudDevOpsHub. In this website, if you will click here, syllabus plus current batch, syllabus is already here. Okay, we have to see. So I'm just opening the syllabus. 8 a.m. Zoom link is also available here. YouTube playlist is also available here. Plus my number, Shikha number is also available here. What exactly we are doing, that is also mentioned into this place. Okay, some gimbals from the Batch-32, what is happening inside the Batch-32. Some students are giving the interview, someone's rounds are getting clear. So some gimbals, some information about our Batch-32 students. Okay, we will try to put some more things here because it's a happening. We want to share the happening. We want to motivate each other. That's why we are doing this. Okay, plus day 1, day 2, day 3. After day 3, we have just taken one introduction session, group session, doubt session. Okay, over the weekend. Day 4, all the day 4 recordings are available here. Today's day 5 recording will also come into this place. Okay, and this is the home page, you can say, for our Batch-32, where some public details are available into this place. Cool, all good? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, is that very clear? No question, no doubt at all. Okay, cool. Come to the syllabus. In the last class, guys, in the last class, what we have seen? Can you repeat it quickly? Fast. In the last class, what we did? Have you seen the class? Have you seen the recording? Did you remember? Guys, silence is just a rejection. If you are silent in the interview, if you are silent, you are
Vikas,
get rejected. Go ahead. Yes,
we've seen about DevOps in detail and what are the
Mhm.
tools we are going to use
Correct. Very
in
good.
this class.
Yes. After that,
Um,
Linux came into the picture. We have seen what exactly the operating system. In simple term, operating system is a system software which is able to connect with the hardware, and the application can consume the hardware resources with the help of operating system. That is called a system software. It is a major software which has to be used over the hardware for the software consuming resources, and some common services for the computer program. Operating system is must. Because of this operating system, user is able to connect with them. User is able to connect with the application. Live example or real-time example, you can see that in my machine, I have, this is the my hardware. Okay, CPU, memory, disk. This hardware is consuming, it is consuming by some application, Zoom application, Google Chrome application, and some more application. It is consuming, hardware is consuming by the application with the help of operating system. That's why we are calling as a middle software or middle system software. Cool. After the operating system, we have came that Linux. As I told, Linux is an open source, freely available into the market. You can go into the link, you can go to the GitHub and you can download the code if you want. Plus, it's a community develop. When the word community develop came into the picture, from the word itself, it's very clear it has been developed by the multiple people or a group of people. Sir, I'm not satisfied with this answer. Can you prove that? Yes, I'm always ready to prove everything, whatever I am speaking. Okay. It's open source. Yes, the code is available into the GitHub. Developed by community. Yes, 14,649 developers are there who written the code. Sir, 14,000 developer. It's very complicated. Who written what? Can you please let me know that let person Torvedis? Okay, the person who initiate this repo, what he written, is that possible? We can check it, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, Vikas.
It is possible. Yes, definitely it is possible. Okay, chalo, let's go to his profile. Okay, Let's go to his profile. I just click on his name. This profile on the Linux, it's a public repo. He written. How come it will come? Okay, chalo, here it is coming. Okay, you can see here, he written, he has a 159,000 stars, 50,000 forks happen into this. This written into the C language. Okay, how come these details are not coming? Let me show one second. I'm just clicking here. Okay, as soon as I will click here, the complete history of this repo, wherever the code has been written, that is called repo. Okay, on the GitHub account. So you can see here from 2005 onwards, the code has been started writing it. Okay, the code has been started writing it, and it's in 2023. The speed, how much velocity, which person, how much it has been written, everything has been mentioned, or everything has been tracked by the application GitHub. Okay, let's take an example. Guys, can you choose anybody, any person? Tivai, Ikal, Arnab, DB, or anyone, any of the 4 person? Please let me know. So that any name, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Still
Two. Okay, chalo. This is a person 2. This person started writing the code from the 2009 onwards. Okay, till 2022 or 21, he was writing the code. After that, he has written very less, which is coming very negligible. But you can see here 6,403 times he did the changes into the actual code. Okay, plus let's go inside it. Okay, let's go inside the commits. Okay, what commit, what changes he did? I just click on the commit. Okay, as soon as I will click on the commit, I will get to know that on the 5th April 2023 he did some changes. Sir, what is the changes? If you will click on the file, this is one file. If you will click on this file, you will get to know that, guys, are you able to understand a little bit that this is a C program? Yes, no? Hash include
yes,
something, right? It's a C program. In the C program, whatever is coming into the red, he deleted because the minus sign is coming. Okay, and he added this thing, he deleted this thing. Okay, and like that, whatever he deleted in the red, it is coming. Whatever he added, that in the plus, it is coming. Means he did these changes on the 5th of April by the person equal. Everything has to be tracked in the software that is called GitHub. Whatever the single line, if you remove the single word, whatever the changes happen, everything has to be tracked by the GitHub. That is the work of GitHub. Not only 5th April, if you want to see the old one, okay, oldest one also, in 14 December 2021, what changes he did, where he did, which line he changed, all the information has been tracked into this place. This is the work of software GitHub or application GitHub. Okay, if it's community, 14,000 different members. Santosh, mute yourself as you're not talking. Multiple developers has been involved into writing this code. It's an operating system, computer system, mainframe, mobile devices, embedded devices. This all places this operating system is getting used. The design of Linux is very similar to Unix. If the design of Linux is very similar to Unix, definitely the Unix has come before the Linux. Yes, it's the same thing. Unix has come before the Linux. Cool. Let's understand that part as well in some couple of minutes. Okay. When I'm talking about Linux, Linux is very popular due to this reason. Free. It's a freely available into the market. If you have knowledge, you can download the code. Okay, you can edit the code. In the last class, we have already downloaded the code. Anyone remember where we downloaded the code? My folder name?
S2.
Where? Batch-32. Yes, 1610. Yesterday's date, 9:29 AM. At the end of the class, we just have downloaded some code. Okay, here is the place. In this place, yeah. No, it is not a complete. I think I have cancelled it. Okay, but if you will see here, we have tried to download it. If we have a knowledge, we can open with the help of Visual Studio Code, and we can see that what has been written into the code. Okay, cool. I will download it again. Not a big deal. Okay, it is freely available. It's an open source. It's very secure as compared to other operating system. Okay, stability and performance, guys, this is the primary reason. Last two are the primary reason. That's why it is using into the server. Sir, what is the primary reason? Stability and performance. If you will see the stability, whenever the new version launch, Linux will inform that this is a stable version, this will work for a long time. Okay, so LTS, they are giving one keyword at the end of Linux and the end of the version. Okay, so we can understand that yes, this can be a stable version. Performance is very important question. When you will see my machine, okay, my machine has a 23 GB of RAM and 4.2 gigahertz of CPU, and it is consuming, when I'm talking about 23, 11 GB of RAM is getting consumed with the help of, because of Zoom and because of Chrome. These are the primary application who is consuming my CPU and memory. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, you are right.
Right? But when I'm talking about the stability, it is running, but 11 GB is very high in terms of Linux. Okay, when if I want to use the Linux operating system, 2 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM is more than enough to use the same processes or same thing whatever I am using it. Okay, means Windows is consuming the memory. That's why if it's consuming high CPU and memory, the performance of the operating system will be down. Performance is directly proportional to CPU, memory, and hardware resources. If you are giving the very high hardware resources, you are investing into the servers, and companies don't want to invest much money into any of the place. Okay, that's why they are choosing the free. That's why they are choosing the Linux, because performance of Linux is very good as compared to other operating system. The comparison is directly going towards the Windows side. Okay, is that okay? All good till now?
Yeah, Vikas, sir, all good.
Cool. Okay, chalo. Let's go more deeper into it. Now time came. Compare between Windows and Linux. Windows, guys, can I get a one-line answer from you guys? What is Windows? A smart answer I need this time, because this is a very simple question. What is Windows?
Operating system developed by Microsoft.
Cool, superb answer, good. Can you tell one more point, guys? One more point, please.
User friendly UI.
User friendly. Okay. What else? First.
Sir, most common and easy to run.
Cool. Chalo. I get 3 points, which are my 70% answer. It's the most popular, simplest operating system. Okay, which can be used by any person who can able to read, who can able to understand the basic English. It doesn't require any special training. Okay, if you have a mouse, if you have a keyboard, if you know basic English, you are able to use the Windows operating system. It required DOS. Guys, what is this DOS? Give me the answer. Little bit technical question.
Disk operating
system.
systems.
What is the benefit? What is the use of this? Answer is correct. What is the use of this? What is the benefit? Why it is required?
By the DOS, you can use the command line tools.
Okay, when we purchase, let's take an example. When we purchase a laptop or hardware, okay, and if we are not purchasing the operating system, we will get our hardware on the DOS. It's a command line disk operating system, okay, where you have to run the command and then you can able to install the operating system. So DOS is required to install Windows or Linux, anything. Okay, yeah, DOS can be installed into the memory and Windows can be executed because of the DOS has been installed, or the DOS has been installed into the memory, and it will allow us to install the operating system into the storage device. Okay, cool, simple. It's a simple answer. When I'm talking about the Linux is the one of the most popular version of Unix. The new keyword came into the picture, Unix. Let's park Unix for next 2-3 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. I will explain you. Okay, but you can understand that there is a operating system. From this operating system, one more operating system has been developed that is called Linux. Okay, Linux is an open source, freely available into the market. It's free to use. Okay, the design of Linux is very similar to the Unix. Again, Unix came into the picture. Let's go to the Unix only. Okay, in some couple of seconds. Okay, let's do the comparison between Linux and Windows. Linux is open source, Windows is not open source. Linux is more efficient, more powerful, more performance related application. So efficiency is very good of the Linux as compared to Windows. Linux use /. Okay, Windows use /. Okay, Linux is highly secure as compared to Windows. Just remember this thing. very general discussion. Okay.
Vikas sir, what is separator meaning? Vikas sir?
Separator. Can anyone give the answer to Umar? What is mean by separator?
So, like delimited.
Better answer. Answer is correct, but I need a better answer.
Command separation, I think so.
See, whenever I'm talking about Windows, okay, in the Windows, you can see here, this type of separator is there, right? This is called separator. In the Linux, you will see the forward slash. This is called backward slash. In Linux, you will see the forward slash. That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool. Yep. I'm just closing this. Right. After that, now very important questions, sir. We get a little bit idea. We are very excited to create a operating system. Now the time came. Let's create a virtual machine and create a put the operating system of the Linux. Now the question will come. So Linux has a lot of flavors. Which flavor you want to teach? My answer is based on the distribution or based on the users into the real-time machines. Okay. If you will see in your company, when you are talking or when you are using the Linux, most popular is Ubuntu. So my preference is also same. I will teach the Ubuntu very first. And guys, what is the second option in your company based on the popularity in your company, which operating system you are using in the Linux flavor?
Red Hat.
Red Hat. Okay, cool. But Red Hat is not a Linux distribution.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Chalo, one more try. Yes.
CentOS.
CentOS. Yes, I am absolutely agree. This is coming on the rank 11, but CentOS is also very popular using into the IT company in the real time. Yes. Any other option? Any other thing which is using in your company? Any other flavor of Linux?
90% of the company are using
Fedora.
Which 90% of the company is using?
Ubuntu, most popular.
Correct. Chalo.
So the top MNC are using Ubuntu, like
Correct.
mid-size, they are using CentOS or Fedora. Like
Super.
that.
80% companies are using Ubuntu. We have to understand Ubuntu, first priority. Second, CentOS. Third is Fedora. That's it. If you know this much, you are very good. You can perform lot of activities into your environment. That's it. Okay, cool. Now, so we are very clear that we need a Ubuntu operating system. We can go into our Google Cloud or any of the account. We will start with the Google Cloud in the starting. Okay, I'm going. Where is my Google Cloud account? I'm going into this place. Okay, and I'm opening my Google Cloud account. Today, I will explain you how to create a virtual machine. Okay, you just have to go to this link console.cloud.google.com. I will teach you how to create an account. No need to worry. In the tomorrow class, we will create a Google Cloud account. Okay, cool. Now, here I'm going into this place. Now my requirement is virtual machine. So in the search bar, if you don't know anything, just put it. You need a virtual machine. VIRTUALMACHINE. I just click. Click. No, it's an instance. INSTANCE. Just go here. Just type instance, and the name is coming VM instance, which is coming into the compute engine category. You just have to click here. As soon as you will click here, the home page of the virtual machine will be open in front of you. When the home page of virtual machine is available in front of you, you have to fill the template. You have to click on the create button. As soon as you will click here, the template will be open. You have to fill the template and the virtual machine will be ready for you. Fill the template. It is asking the name. Guys, can you help me out with your name? Anyone? Unmute and let me know.
Viraj.
Viraj. VIRAJ. What is the date? 17 October. Okay. I'm giving the name. Where you want to create? Let's go with the default option. I want to create into the US Center. Let's okay. Fine. Okay. Which type of machine you need? Okay. There are so many varieties are there. Low cost day by day concepting. I'm okay with this. It is giving 0.25 to 32 GB CPUs. Okay. Or 1 to 128 GB RAM. More than enough. Okay. Means E2 series is very standard. Okay. For low cost, they are charging less amount. For the learning purpose, best option. Okay. Now in the E2 series, when I'm telling that let's go to the E2, in the E2 there are so many options. As I told, we will get a category from 0.25 to 32 CPUs or 1 GB RAM to 128 GB RAM. Okay, these are the categories or this many CPU memory we can use it. Sir, how to change it? You can click here, you can choose it as per your requirement. Okay, at this point by default it is coming 1 or 2 CPU and 4 GB RAM. That is very standard for the learning purpose. Okay, your none of the application will be stuck into this place. When the real-time question will come in your company, what's your CPU and memory in your real-time machine? Can anyone give me the answer?
8 GB and 500 120.
512.
Yes, sorry.
Okay.
512.
Okay. Anyone else? I'm not satisfied with this answer. Anyone else?
It's more than 1632.
Okay. See, guys, 80% of the companies, let me write and give it to you. Okay. 80% if your application is very, very heavy application, 32 is the maximum RAM has to be used. Maximum. Beyond 32, if you are using that, you are wasting the resources. Beyond 32, you never have to go. In a standard one, 16 GB is very standard as a RAM. Okay. In every company, 16 GB is very standard, not 26. Man, how come 26 came? 16 GB is a very standard, and 8 CPUs are the very standard, which has to be used in every company. Okay, this is the recommendation. If anyone asks in an interview that how much is the CPU and RAM in your virtual machine, you have to give this answer. Okay, if your application is very big, then you can change it to the 32 GB RAM. That's it. Otherwise, this is very standard. Is that okay? Yes, no?
Yeah, because
Okay, cool. Now I'm taking, because we are learning purpose, so I'm taking little bit less. Okay, I'm not doing any other configuration. Okay, the name is this, it is free, but I don't need a Debian, I need a Ubuntu operating system. So I'm changing my operating system Ubuntu. Okay, I'm taking Ubuntu. As soon as I choose the Ubuntu, version 20 LTS version came. The LTS, guys, in the real time, always choose the LTS version. If you're not choosing the LTS, let's assume you are choosing something else. Okay, 23 version. This version is not very stable. Ubuntu itself is telling that it is not very stable. I will keep this version or not keeping. Why you are using it? Don't use it. Okay, always choose the LTS version so that your infrastructure will be stable. You will not face infrastructure related problem. Okay, and this is the how much GB of storage, C drive, D drive you want to take. So I am taking 10 GB is very standard. Okay, but in the company there is no answer. In the real time there is no answer. Why there is no answer? How much storage you will use?
Depending upon the data they are storing.
It depends on the data. Every company has a different data, right? But in a standard, 500 GB is very standard. Okay, 512 GB is very standard. Okay, I'm not, as a real-time practice or the best practice, I will not suggest you to create the big machine or big storage. Why? Can anyone give me the technical answer? Why I can choose the 1 TB, 2 TB in everything, but this is not a best answer. Why? Guys, real-time interview question, simple.
It's a chargeable, right?
Chargeable is okay. I have a requirement, I have to pay. That's it. Second option, second reason.
Performance.
Can you repeat it?
I think it's a performance issue.
Correct. Absolutely, I agree with your point. If you will take a very high storage thing, one thing, it is chargeable. Second, the performance was not very good. Okay, you have to keep this standard one so that the performance will not get affected. In the real time, performance is a very important matter which we have to always think. So my answer or the best answer is 512 GB is a standard one which you are using. If your application is small, you can take less one. It will be always good. Okay, and another best practice says 50% of the storage should be, every time it should be cleaned. Okay, now why? Or it should be 50% should be empty. Why? If your requirement is, let's assume 200 GB, then create a 512. If your requirement is 500, then created two machine of 500 and 500. Why 50% should be empty? Any reason, any technical reason, guys? Give me the answer quickly.
For load balancing,
No, load balancing is not this storage concept. Wrong answer.
Memory like that. Any
The good practice, see, let me show my machine, okay, so that you will able to compare it, able to imagine it, okay, because I want to imagine, I want you to remember. See, I have a 500 GB, mine is 26 GB free. If this will fill, this is coming into the red and my machine is getting affected, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is a problem. The machine itself is telling, sir, this is a problem, right? Are you agree?
Yes,
Right? So if the machine itself is telling it's a problem, definitely my application, or if I will not clean in 2-3 days, my machine will become slow, right? So best practice says that keep the 50% memory, 50% storage should be extra as per your requirement. I'm taking 10 GB, very standard for the learning purpose. Okay, select. I'm coming down. I want a internet connection. I want, if I will create anything, my machine should be connected to the internet. So I'm just allowing the internet connection and I'm clicking on the create. As soon as I will click on the create, my virtual machine in the next 30 seconds will be ready and available in front of you. On a high level, is that okay? How to create a virtual machine?
yes, sir.
yeah.
Anyone has
Yes, sir.
any question in this template? Go and feel free to ask, because you all are came for the learning purpose. Asking question is your rights. Go ahead.
So these are like chargeable. I mean,
Everything is
like
chargeable.
AWS. This also if you use more than the limit, default limit.
See, GCP is also free for the learning purpose. AWS is also free. Azure is also free. Everything for the learners, everything to make you the engineer, it is free. Okay,
Yeah,
I will
that
teach you.
one is basic, right? I mean, basic in
Basic.
sense of, yeah.
Basic, everything for the learning purpose, it is free. Not for production use,
Okay.
not for the enterprise, it is not free, but for the learning purpose. Because see, if Google Cloud will say that, sir, it is free, more engineers will learn. And in the future, you will use the Google Cloud, right?
Yeah.
So they want to do it free of cost. Okay. Yeah. What else? No need to worry. I will explain you in a very deeply also this template. Okay. Because this time my intention is not to teach you the virtual machine. Okay. I'm going back. Okay. And in this 30-second duration, my machine has to be ready. It's not ready. Let me refresh it one more time. Yep. My machine is ready. It's in running state. Now this is internal IP. This is external IP. What is this? What will happen? My question is different, guys. My question is different. What will happen as soon as I will click on this SSH? Guys, give me the answer quickly.
It'll connect
You
this.
will be able to connect.
I will able to connect to this machine. Yes. What all things are happening in between? Give me the answer. Technical answer.
Yeah, it is updating the keys to the system and trying to log in.
Correct. It is taking my key, my account key. It is validating that you are authorized to log in into this machine. Third point, it is checking that if I'm going from the port number 22, the port 22 is allowed to go inside it or not. If all satisfied, it will verify, okay, the Google has verified my account from this place as it is a trusted device. I'm most of the time I'm using from the same machine. They allowed me to inside the machine itself. And from this user, Vikas user, I am into the Viraj machine. Cool? Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the time came as it's a Ubuntu machine. You can learn the Ubuntu commands into this place. Option 1. Okay. Clear? Google Cloud. We can create a virtual machine into the Google Cloud with the Ubuntu operating system, and you can learn the Ubuntu from here. Agree? But sir, the problem is you haven't teach how to get the Google Cloud account, right? Yes or no?
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
I have a solution for this. I'm intentionally not creating your account because tomorrow we are going to create. Okay. Tomorrow, guys, be available with your genuine Gmail account. Okay. Why I'm telling genuine Gmail account? Because sometime if your name is not very accurate, okay, they will not allow you. Okay. Because for me also, if you will see here, my account names are very straightforward that you have to be vikas.ratnawat1@gmail.com. Your name should be very clear. If you will create an account with the I am what we can say, I am cool dude, happy learner, or DevOps engineer, they may ask the more verification. If your name is very clear, they will not ask much questions and it will be auto verified. So I am telling you, we need a Gmail account which has a proper Gmail ID. We need a credit card which has a proper name on your name. So it will take just 2 minutes and your account will be ready. If the name or anything is not matched, it will take 2 days to get it verified. Okay. So whoever will be ready with these two options, Gmail and the same credit card name, tomorrow I will create an account in front of you. Okay, cool. Be available with this two option. Now I have connected to this. Now second option, guys. Second option, sir, this is not possible today, tomorrow. Then what is the option for today? I have a tool. When I'm talking about the tool, I have a tool named Mobile Stream. I'm going into the Mobile Stream place. Okay. This is telling for the home purpose, learning purpose, usable purpose. This many things are free inside it. You can use the RDP, you can use the VNC, XMSC, SSH, Telnet. So many options are there. What I want to use, I want to use the SSH feature inside it. Okay. The same, this SSH feature and this SSH feature is absolutely a same. Okay. So I want to use the SSH feature. I'm taking the free version. I'm clicking on the download option. Here, two options are coming, portable edition or installer edition. Can anyone tell me the difference? Quickly. Give me the answer. Portable or installer?
Portable, we can carry it anywhere.
Okay. And installer?
Installer,
Installer is like we are installing, sir.
installing.
If you will
in
take the
system.
installer version, you have to install it.
Yes.
If you will take the
Yes.
portable edition, no need to install. It's directly a binary file. You can directly use it anywhere. Chalo, I'm giving you this link. Okay. Guys, open in your machine. Okay, this link and click on the portable edition. As soon as you will click on the portable edition, one software which is of around 28 MB, it will take 1 minute of time. Okay, and it will download it in my machine. I don't know why it is slow in always downloading it. Guys, anyone from your side, please download it quickly. Whoever has downloaded, let me know. I will give access to you. You can share your screen and show it to everyone that your Linux is running in your machine. Please download this portable edition quickly.
Hello.
Sheetal, you are done?
Yeah, I have already installed, sir. Can I share my screen?
You have already installed, then it's not required. I want someone who is learning with me. Okay. You already did. That's good.
And no, yesterday by using your PPT screenshot.
Okay. It's okay. You did. No worries. I need a person who is doing with me. Tell me.
Can I share my screen?
Yep, Umar. I will give access to you. Okay. This see, this software is downloaded. Have you downloaded, Umar, in your machine?
It's getting downloaded because
It's getting downloaded. As soon as it's downloaded, let me know. Or anyone who downloaded already, let me know quickly first.
It's getting
Yep.
downloaded.
Getting
Too slow.
downloaded. Okay. Yeah, it's slow. Even I also face the problem. Always happen with this website. No need to worry. Okay, I'm just downloading one more time. Okay. It's okay. It's done, but it is not yet came. Yeah, now the zip file has been came. Okay. Guys, see my screen. Don't do anything in your machine. As soon as this zip file has been downloaded in your machine, you have to just double click, unzip it. Okay, with any of the software, whatever you have, unzip software, extract software, 7-zip software. I have a 7-zip. With the help of 7-zip software, I'm just extracting it. As soon as I extract it, you can see a 29 on the old date. This software has been available. It's an application directly. The use of this application, just directly double click. As soon as you will double click it, this type of pop-up will come in front of you. Okay, one pop-up will come in front of you. Yep, one pop-up has been came in front of you. Okay, it will ask that do you want to allow? Click on the private network, everything allow. Okay, as soon as you will click on allow, yes, it will look like this. Very first time it will ask, do you want to use the light theme or dark theme? Guys, which theme you want to use, light or dark?
Light.
Light theme. Okay, I click on the light theme. And then I am starting the terminal. As soon as I click on the terminal, my local machine Linux terminal is up and running. I can run some basic Linux command into this place as well. Now I want someone to do in front of everyone. Who is doing it? The same activity, downloading, unzipping, and opening. That's it, 3 buttons. Who is doing? Let me know quickly. I means William.
Williams.
Yep, William, you can share your screen. I given the access to you. William, you can share your screen.
Yes, sir.
William, you will get an option, share screen.
Okay.
Vikas sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, Umar, you can do.
Yeah.
Yep.
See Vikas sir.
Yep, Umar sir. Umar, we are able to see your screen. Guys, we are able to see Umar's screen. Okay. Yes, Umar, you have downloaded. Yes, you have downloaded.
It's showing open, cut, copy, delete properties.
What is that?
It is showing open, cut, copy, delete properties.
Where it is showing, share your full screen.
Yeah.
Umar, you are here to present it. Yes, where you have downloaded?
In mobile extreme.
No, you have downloaded in your download folders. Open your download folder.
Yeah, this is the recent.
Yes, open this. Open this. That folder option is coming. Guys, I want you to use how to use a laptop, please. I want, because see, when you are going for the interview, sometime he may say that share your screen. If you don't know it, you will get rejected. Okay. So from here, learning with me that how to share the screen, how to do this very quickly. Umar, your screen is not sharing full. Share your full screen, please.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'll share it. Yeah.
Share it quickly.
Yeah.
Do it again, please.
Because can I try?
Yeah, Shuni, please be very smart. Okay, you are the third person. Yes, Ashwini. Yes, cool. Ashwini is sharing the screen. Yep. Okay, unzip it, please. Unzip it. Yes. Yes, cool. Good. Yep. Double click. Yeah, go inside it. Yep, there is a file. Just double click on it. Yep. Run as administrator or anything. It's me. It will come. It will come. Yes, it has been loaded. It has been right theme. Start local terminal. Yes. And make a full screen. That's it. Yep. And cool. We are able to see that your terminal is up and running. Just type any of the Linux command. Guys, give the Linux command to Ashwini. Any Linux command?
Touch LS7
Touch file 1.
LSCD PWD.
LS.
Yes, type enter. Yes, ls command is running. Means Ashwini, guys, mute yourself who is not talking. Ashwini can run the local terminal. He can do the practice with this software, mobile stream, which is of 25 MB software. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Basically, it's a 3-click. Okay. Download it, unzip, and run it. That's it. Okay. Cool. Thanks, Ashwini. Thanks for your time. Okay. I'm taking the screen back. Now, guys, today we saw the second approach. With the help of second approach, we can use the Linux terminal in our local machine. Now, so this is also mute yourself. This is also like we have to install something or we have to download something, means it will run in the local machine. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
That's okay.
In this local machine, we are not downloading it, so you don't have to worry. You can use in your office laptop also. That is possible. Okay. Now, if you are able to use an office laptop, that is also fine, no problem. But let us assume someone is telling, sir, this is also a little bit tough or risky. I have another option, the third option, that is called Playground. What is the English meaning of playground? Can anyone give me the answer? English meaning of playground.
Where you can practice.
Where
we
you
can
can
play.
where you can play, leave it like that, use it, don't use, unused, whatever you want, you can do it. There is a playground option. What exactly the playground? The playground is provided by the Docker itself. So guys, we are not learning Docker, but we are just creating an account on the Docker so that in the future we can definitely use the Docker. But at this point, we will use the Docker playground for the learning Linux. Okay. So I want someone, I will create it. Someone please give me your email ID. Okay. In the chat box, I will create an account for you and I will use your account. Someone please give me your email ID into the chat box who don't have the Docker account. Condition apply. Yep. Just ping your email ID into the chat box. Keshav. Okay. Keshav, I'm taking your ID. Okay. Keshav has given very first. So I'm just going into this URL. I'm clicking on the Docker. Okay. And here they are telling that create login into the Docker account. Keshav don't have the account. So I'm just clicking on the sign up. Okay. As soon as I will click on the sign up, some page is open in front of me. Okay. The page says, where is the page? Sorry. Yeah. The page says, give me your email ID. I just provided the Keshav email ID. Keshav, I'm creating the username as this same as your @ before @ I'm taking as a username. I'm creating a password, which I will give it to you. Okay. Okay. I just created a password. I'm telling as your very first time we are doing it. So I need a occasional product updates and communication. Everything should come to my ID or your ID so that at least you will be aware about Docker from now onwards. I'm clicking on sign up. Keshav, you may get one verification email. Okay. Just go and just log in and check it this ID. Okay. And guys, I have an account. I have a Keshav username. I have a password.
Yeah, I got
it. Yes, I'm just clicking on the continue. Sorry. Yep, I provided the password. Okay, it is asking, do you want to authorize Keshav to the Docker? Obviously, that is my requirement. I click on accept. Okay, and as soon as the account has been created, it is telling me to start. Means I have to go into this link and I will get a start button. Your account should be there. That's it. If you have an account, just click on the start. Very bad. I'm clicking on the start. Okay. Maybe some problem at their end. Nothing from our side. Okay. Playground is not running at this time. Let me try one more time. Yeah, it has been come up. Okay. Their side, nothing from our side. Okay. Anyone here who want to say that, sir, virtual machine creation is tough? Anyone in this group?
No, no, it is not tough.
No, it is not.
See, it is not asking.
We don't know, right? So
It is not asking any credit card. It is just asking your email or email verification also not asking, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Provide provide the genuine email ID, provide the password. That's it. And the playground is ready. Now, guys, the question is the virtual machine creation is tough? Anyone, please, at least I need some person who will say that, yes, it is tough. At least one or two. Akash, Alka, Anita, Ankit, Aniket.
Vikas sir, can you share this link?
I will share everything. The PPT already shared. No need to worry.
You made it simple. Vikas,
I will.
You made it simple.
Can you repeat it?
You made it simple. You say it is not tough. I say you made it simple with your teaching.
Correct. The way I'm teaching it simple. I absolutely agree. Okay. Cool. So this is the link. I'm giving this link into the chat box. Okay. You can create your own account, guys. And now the thing is, virtual machine creation is just a one click. You need a one machine. Guys, see my screen. You need a one machine. Just click here, add new instance, creating machine is ready. 1 second, one click and machine is ready. One machine. Do you need a one more machine? Can I click one more time? Yes, no?
Yeah.
I'm clicking one more time. Okay. Note 2, another machine has been created. You need one more machine. Just click here. Third machine is created. Okay, this
So
is called,
these are Linux, right? Linux OS
these
only.
are the Linux machines. Okay,
Okay.
when we will go more deeper into it, don't say Linux. Okay, Linux has to be told by the fresher.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Actually, in the real answer for this is a Alpine image, Alpine Linux. Okay, because Linux is a overall in the Linux, Ubuntu Linux, Alpine Linux, Fedora Linux, which one exactly it is? Okay, Linux is all black terminal. We can call as a Linux, right?
Okay. These are we will
Flavor
say
of
as a flavor.
Linux,
Okay.
flavors of Linux. Okay.
Okay.
So Docker is providing the Alpine Linux image. Okay. Now, guys, as a small homework I'm giving to you, just read it little bit about Alpine. I will explain you in some couple of days, but not right away. Okay. You can read it what exactly the Alpine is. One of the some basic interview question from the experienced person. Okay. Now I have a machine. Okay. Yes. Now you can practice ls, whatever the Linux command you can practice here also. Cool. Are you happy with this third approach also? Playground approach?
Yes. Yeah, because
Can anyone created or anyone reach into this place?
yeah, I have come because
You come. I need 2-3 students or 5 students at least who will reach into this place. Or anyone who is doing it, share your screen. Let's do it in front of everyone. Who is doing it?
Hello, because
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yes,
can I
yes.
use my Docker existing email to log in into it?
You are doing it or you want me to do it?
No. I'm asking. I have Docker account. Can I use my email to log in into
Yes,
it?
yes. If you already have an account, just go into this link and log in it. That's it. You don't have to create it again and again.
All right. Okay.
Creation account is only one-time activity. Anyone here who want to do it in front of everyone? Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Who?
So Viraj.
Viraj. Viraj and William. Guys, anyone who want to share, you can share it, please. Anyone, please. Viraj has taken the opportunity. He already created the account. Yes, click on the add new instance. Cool. One machine has been created. Another machine, if you need, just click. The another machine will also get created. Guys, virtual machine creation is just one click now. Agree?
yeah, because
Okay, cool. Guys, can we take a small 2 minutes break? Whoever is not yet reach into this place, please reach it. Any question, feel free to ask with me. Okay, if you are done till here, you are feel free to go for bio break, water break, or whatever you want. Okay, I'm giving a 2 minutes or 3 minutes break. Okay.
okay. Yes.
Everyone, my expectation, guys, in this break, my expectation is everyone has to reach into this place where Viraj has reached, where I have reached. Okay. I'm not expecting much thing. I'm expecting very simple thing only. Okay. Cool.
Sir, I actually lost my network one place, so I'm not able to navigate till here. So can I share my screen? Can you help me?
Yep, definitely. Okay, you can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Guys, don't go for break. Just see it how Siddhant is doing it. Whoever faced the problem, Siddhant is sharing the screen and doing it. Yes, Siddhant, go ahead, continue.
Yes, sir. Is my screen sharing?
Not yet. You
Okay,
have to
sir.
click on the share screen button. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yep. Click on the login. Yeah, good. Click on the login. Docker. Yes. You have to click on the sign up. You don't have the account, right?
No, sir.
You have to click on the sign up. Go up. Yep. Yep. Provide the username. ISC Siddhant. Okay. Yep. Password as per your choice. Cool. Sign up. Yep. Give the username. Cool. Give the password. Continue. Yep. Authorize. Accept. Click on start. That's it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Cool. Guys, whoever missed it with me, the Siddhant has did it in front of you. Okay, cool. Thank you. Guys, let's take a quick break, a small break. okay, which is of 2 minutes 49 seconds, and please be back in this minute with this time. Okay, 2 minutes 40 seconds are there. Please go back and go and come back, please. Please. Guys, I'm back from the break. You can ask the question if anyone has any question in between. Anyone, any question?
Okay, all right. I have a question.
Go ahead.
The question is, to me, this tools, they are sandbox.
Yep.
Meaning that you can't really do anything permanent on it.
Okay. This is a sandbox. You can call as a sandbox. The another keyword for this, the technical good keyword is sandbox. You can use as a sandbox this also.
Okay, does it mean that every time we sign up, or sorry, okay,
Uh,
anytime we log out,
Yep.
Everything is cleared, and
Correct.
anytime you log in,
It's a new
you have to
machine.
start
It's
afresh.
a new machine. It's
Okay.
a new fresh.
All right.
That is the concept of sandbox. That's why it is written. It's a sandbox.
Okay. Sorry.
Good question. The new keyword you introduced in front of the group, that's good. Okay, guys, the time is up or not? Yeah, time is up. Guys, let me tell you one more thing. This is a sandbox environment. In the technical term, we call as a sandbox. It's like a whenever you want to use, create it like whatever you want. As soon as you will close it, it will be again go to the previous version, or it will be again to the original state. Okay. If you need a one more, just click here. The new one will get created. Just one click. How to delete it? Whatever the let assume node 3 you want to delete, there is an option, delete option is coming. Just click on the delete, and some basic information is showing here. IP, how much CPU memory it is using. If you want to connect to the SSH, just there is a copy this command. And if you have a SSH client, you can connect with the SSH client as well, possible. Okay, cool. The intention of giving this sandbox or this environment to you, you can practice it from any of the place without any investment. Okay, that's the intention for giving this.
Yeah, because this is like virtual machines, like
It's a virtual machine. Obviously, it's a new instance.
like VM.
Correct. It's definitely a VM.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Now, guys, your problem has been solved. You have a multiple ways how to, from where we have to learn the Linux. Okay. And I will help you out with the things as well. Okay. When we will talk about the different flavors of Linux, yes, these are the list. Out of this list, it's not only that Linux has been divided into different flavors. Linux has been divided into the multiple distributions as well. It has a Red Hat distribution, it has a Fedora, Debian, and other. When I'm talking about the Red Hat is a commercial, professional, enterprise edition. Red Hat is one of the organization. If he is selling the Linux to you, he is selling his support, he is selling his expertization into that. That's why they are calling as a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It's not free. Linux is free. Red Hat Linux is not free because they are providing the license, they are providing the support to you. Fedora is also a part of Red Hat, okay, but it can be found, it can be used for commercial use as well. It can be used for free purpose as well. Debian is also another flavor which is coming into the open source category. So we can say that our Ubuntu or our Ubuntu or in the Debian family, lot of open source flavors are coming. And here Ubuntu, Linux Mint, CentOS, OpenSUS, Linux Enterprise, and so many other categories are also there. So in short, Linux has been divided into 4 categories: Red Hat, Fedora, Debian, and other. In the other, so many different other operating systems are available, which are coming from the Linux. Basically, this all has been developed or created from the Unix. Now the Unix came into the picture. What is Unix? Unix is a multitasking, multi-user operating system. It's not free, okay, and it's not a open source. Unix is never a free or never a open source. Unix has been came in 1969 by the Came Thompson AT&T Labs. Means around 40 years back, the Unix operating system came into the picture. From the idea of Unix, the Tervis or the Linus Torvalds person has created the Linux in 1991. Means first the Unix came into the picture. From the Unix, from the idea of Unix, the Linux has been come up into the picture, which is open source, multitasking, multi-user operating system, initially developed in 1991. From 1991, when the GitHub came into the picture, the code of the Linux is available into the GitHub and freely you can use it. Both are able to use into the servers, workstation. Linux also we can use into the workspace, servers, enterprise editions, mobile, mainframes, both the place. Linux is not Unix. Don't say that Linux or Unix both are 100% same. No, Linux is like a Unix, you can say. Okay, that is correct. Okay, Linux has been developed from the idea of Unix. Okay, first Unix came into the picture, then Linux came into the picture. Okay, cool. These are some what we can say difference between Linux and Unix. Linux is open source. Unix is not open source. Linux has been developed by the single person. Okay, Unix has been developed into the lab, that is AT&T Labs. Okay, Linux is free to use. Unix has a license. If you want to use the Linux, if you want to use the Unix, you have to purchase the license for that. Okay, some extension file formats are there, which has been supported by Linux. Some file formats which has been supported by the Unix. Both Linux and Unix has a GUI. Guys, what is GUI? Quick answer, what is GUI?
Graphical
user
interface.
interface.
Graphical user interface. You can use the mouse, you can use the keyboard. With the help of keyboard, you can drag down and all these things. Graphical user interface. Both places available. But in the real time, in the companies, we are not using the GUI. Why? Interview question.
To speed up the performance.
Correct. Because this graphical user interface required high memory, high CPU, performance will get decreased. Okay. And in the real time, we need a good performance. So we disable the GUI, or we are not taking the Linux, which has a GUI. One of the next level interview question is Windows available without GUI? Yes
No.
or no?
Yes.
No.
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 Yeah, it's available. You can
Yes, I think DOS.
Yes, you can use the DOS, the disk operating system.
Correct. Windows is also available without GUI. Okay, to give the good performance. But we are very comfortable with Windows, right? With the GUI. So why we will think for that? Yes, Windows is also available without
Yes.
GUI.
The idea of Windows is GUI.
Correct.
That's
The
the
idea
idea.
is GUI. See,
From
idea is
Windows
GUI,
to
but see,
Windows.
if we want to use into the what we can say servers, then who will give the 32 GB? Who will give the high rent to them? The idea will become fair, right? Our costing will be high. If we are really want to use without GUI, we can use it. Okay. Linux support, Bash. Okay, bonds against shell. I will give you the Bash scripting also classes. No need to worry. So you will get an idea about it. Okay. Linux has been initially developed with on the Intel 86 processor, and now it is supporting 20 plus different hardware supports possible. Linux has a different flavors like Ubuntu, Debian, GNU, Architect Linux, etc. Unix also has some flavors like Solaris, Sun OS, Unix, AIX, HPUX, Ultratex. This all are the licensed version. In your company, there may be chances they are using the Sun OS operating system, Solaris, Unix, AIX. Means you can understand that they are using the Unix. Cool? Happy?
Because what is the full form of this Debian GNU?
There is no full form. These are the names. Okay. Debian is a flavor, we can say. Or GNU may have some full form. I'm not sure.
Because actual flavor and distribution both are different, right?
See, when I'm talking about the flavors, these are the flavors. Okay.
Okay.
From the Linux only, multiple flavors. It's a open source. Tomorrow, let us assume you develop a new feature. You can make it and it become viral. It become popular. So the flavor is in this list. Correct. Distribution is division of the Linux. Okay. This is not a division. It's a Linux only, but different flavors are there. That's it. Cool. Now the technical part came into the picture. In our Windows, we have a C drive. Inside a C drive, when we will install a Windows operating system, guys, now I need an answer from you. When we will install a Windows operating system, some folders will get created automatically in every machine. Bin, BIOS, dev, drivers, Windows,
Program.
logs, program, user, Windows. This folders will get created automatically as soon as you will install the operating system. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Obviously, everyone has to be agree on this point. Okay. Same as in Linux also, it's a C drive. Where is the C drive? Root location is a C drive. Let's come to the machine. Okay. Be practical or be proof. I have to prove everything. At this point, what is this sign? What is the name of this sign? It is a tilde sign. It is a home location sign. Okay. At this point, Vikas user on the Viraj home. Okay. Viraj machine has a Vikas user. Vikas has his home and I'm into this location. Okay. I'm typing command pwd. What is pwd?
Present
working directory.
Present working directory, sir.
Yeah, I got it. Present working directory. Okay. I'm pressing enter. In this machine, there is a home. There is a Vikas place and I'm available into this place. Okay. Means this is a home location. This field is a home location for the Vikas user. Cool. Now I don't want to work as a Vikas user. I want to become a root user. Sudo -i. I'm running one command, sudo -i. As soon as I run this command, I'm into the home page of home location of the root user. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm in the home location of root user. Cool. Now, this is also not. Yes, mute yourself. Now, this is also not my requirement. I want to go to the root location of the root user. So I'm just typing cd/. Okay. Means cd. What is the full form of cd? Change directory. Okay. I'm changing my directory to the root location. Right now, I'm into the tilt. I'm into the home location. I'm pressing enter. As soon as I change it, I'm into the root location of the root user. Means in this image, if you will see here, I reach into this place. Correct? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Means in simple, I'm in the C drive of the Linux machine. That's it. Cool? Okay. Now,
Yes,
I'm typing ls command. What is ls?
List the name.
I'm
Files
listing. Okay. Here, if I've opened this, this is a list. I'm able to see all these things. Let me compare everything with Windows, even the Windows only. I'm opening my command prompt into this location. Okay. This black skin is my C drive location of my Windows. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm typing the dir. What is dir command?
Directory.
All the directories. All the directories is similar to the list. Yes. Here is the list showing here with the help of dir command into the Windows machine. If I'm running the ls command, I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press ls, yes, the listing has been opened in the Linux machine. Okay. Now some questions. Okay. some very basic question. If you are telling that you know Windows, you have to be aware about this thing. Okay. Chalo. My question is very simple. First, let's start with the simple thing. What is user? What is user folder in the Linux Windows machine? Okay. This is user folder. What is this user folder in Windows machine? Give me the answer.
User who are logging.
Whatever the user accounts are available for this Windows machine, that all details will be available here. In your machine, your name will be there. My name is admin, so my admin folder is available. In your machine, your folders will be available. So user location, user information of Windows machine. Same thing in Linux. If I will go to the user option, user folder, user, whatever available in the Linux machine, like Vikas user or whatever it is, user information in the Linux machine. Very simple. Cool.
Yeah, because
Yes, sir.
Second, let's come to the second point. Okay. Now, etc, system configuration files. Okay. etc is the system configuration. In Windows, what is the system configuration file? Tell me. Guys, give me the answer. Guys, Windows. Everyone knows Windows. Give me the answer.
It's a system.
Which one? Yeah, it's a system. Correct. Very system. Answer is correct.
Program file one is there etc. This is all are the.
Wait. Very system. Somewhere system file.
System
Yeah,
32.
here system 32. Some file in simple, some file into the Windows folder is a system file into the Windows operating system. Same thing in Linux. It's a etc machine folder. Okay. The etc folder, which is showing here, or which is available here, etc. Here is the etc, which has a system configuration files. That's it. Okay. Cool. Able to compare? Digestible till now?
yeah, because
Bin. What is bin?
binary files.
Correct. What is the
Binary
use of
folder.
binary folders? Correct.
Executable to execute the
which
program.
doesn't require installation. Okay. Executable which doesn't require installation, ready to run. Okay. I will suggest you the best practice. If in your machine bin folder is available, very good. If it's not there, create a bin folder and whatever is the executable, directly put everything here. Okay, you don't have to install it, you don't have to perform any activity. As soon as it will be put it here, it will execute, it will run it. What is the binary file we used some couple of minutes back? Mobile Steam, right? We haven't installed it, we just download it, we just click on that and it's run it. Agree? That is called binary file.
Yeah.
Temp. What is temp? TMP.
And temporary folder.
Temporary
files. Okay. In the Linux, guys, if you want to perform any of the activity which is temporary, okay, which you don't want to keep it for a long time, so that you can do into the temp folder. Okay. In Linux, there is no recycle bin concept. Okay, there is no recycle bin concept. Whatever kind of temporary operation you can do into this temp folder. Yes, in our Windows also there is a temp location. What is the temp location in Windows?
Percentage TAMP percentage.
Correct. Can anyone explain? Ravindra knows the answer. Can anyone explain again what Ravindra told?
It's delete a corrupted file.
Yeah, where exactly it is?
It's in C drive.
Right. Even I also don't know the location. Just open the R, just open the run and just type temp. And as soon as you will press enter, see Windows temp, Windows and temp. This is the location. See Windows and temp. Here is the temporary files are there. Okay, whatever the classes we are doing, the logs has been written for this class, DevOps, everything is available here. Means all these temporary files are available into this place. Cool. Okay.
Yeah, because
this temp and that temp, whatever I have opened, is the same. Linux and Windows, 90% same. Okay. If we don't know Windows, that's why we told that Linux is tough. If we know Windows betterly, we will not say that Linux is tough. Are you agree with my point?
yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Okay. Dev folder. What is the dev folder or what is program file? Give me the answer. What is program file in this Linux Windows machine? What is this program file? Guys, give me the answer. What is this program file in Windows?
It will contain
No, Raghavendra, I know you know the answer. I need a new person.
all the important file which are for the Windows are there, na? That should be there in the program file. If
Wrong answer. It's not an important file. Give me the proper answer.
Software which has been installed.
Correct. This person is correct.
Which downloaded.
Whatever the software you are downloading or installing it, the installer files will be going inside the program files. Good. Now, second question. Why it is 86? Why two are there?
Because
Because the first one is
86,
32.
there are Windows program.
The
Right?
other one is 64 bits.
CG is
So
giving the
any
correct
application
answer.
that is 32,
I think more
if
than
the
64
if the application is 32 bits, it will be stored inside program files one. Which
Guys,
is
when
this.
when we will download the application or we will download any software, two varieties of things will come, 32-bit or 64-bit. If it's a 32-bit, you are installing it, it will go into this folder. If you are taking anything 64-bit, it will go into this folder. Okay, this is the concept in Windows. Same thing in Linux. If it's a dev folder, whatever you will download or install it, it will go to the dev folder. That's it. Okay, where is the dev folder? Here is the dev folder. Let me make it big screen. Where is dev? Yeah, here is the dev folder. That's it. This is my C drive explanation of my Linux machine. That is called file system of the Linux machine or file structure of the Linux machine. In this, you have to but just remember these 5 things. That's it. Cool. Any question here? Guys, yes, no, any question?
No, because
No, sir.
Cool. If you are good, we can start the commands. Okay. I'm coming into my Linux machine. Okay. Where is my Linux machine? Here is that. I'm just making it like this. Okay. Now, the very first command I want to run hostname, hostname. Okay. I'm just pressing enter hostname. As soon as I press this command hostname, I get something. What is this?
it will display your name. Because
Give the proper
VM
answer.
name.
It's a VM name.
Virtual machine name.
Correct. It's a virtual. Umar, if you are giving this type of answer into the interview, you may have to give lot of interviews. Okay. Improve your answers every day,
Yeah.
please.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
It's a virtual machine name. Sir, can you prove it? Yes, definitely I can prove that. Viraj 17 October. Viraj 17 October is the host name. Guys, do you know the same command is available in Windows also? HOSTNAME. Okay, I'm just creating hostname. My hostname machine is DevOps. Yes, same command. Okay, cool, good. Now my second command, hostname -i. What do you mean by hostname -i? Give me the answer, please.
It will
This is
display
IP
the
address.
IP address of host.
IP address.
IP address, HOST. Okay, I'm giving you a shortcut. Okay, hostname. I just press the upper key. The previous command has been shown here. I'm typing -i. Okay, and pressing enter. IP address is coming. Guys, which IP address it is? Internal or external?
External IP address.
Omar, wrong. Now you don't have to
No,
give
no.
the answer. Okay,
Internal.
it's an internal.
it's a
IP.
internal IP address.
It's an internal IP. Okay, it's an internal IP. Sir, can you prove it? Yes. 10 something coming. 10.128.0. It's an internal IP. 10.128 is the internal IP. Cool. Good.
Because internal IP is it's our local machine IP or it's
Very bad. Internal IP. If the communicate. Guys, whoever has a background noise, please don't unmute yourself, please. Okay. Internal IP, if you need a communication between the Google Cloud itself, then it's the internal IP. Okay. Nothing local. Okay. There is no local concept. Remove from your mind that we are doing locally. No, everything on a Google Cloud, we are doing it. Okay. Cool. Now this is internal IP. Sir, how can I get the external IP? There is a command, external IP. The command is curl ifconfig.me. Okay, I'm just putting it here. Okay, in the command. As soon as I put the command curl, can anyone explain me what you mean by curl? Who know the answer, please give the answer. What is curl?
Sir, curl is used to download any file from the internet.
Yes.
If you want to download anything,
no, curl is not for download. wget is for download.
What
Curl is that URL configuration.
Guys, sometimes what will happen, we feel that we know the answer, we given the answer to the interviewer, and interviewer knows he's giving the confidently wrong answers, right? And we will get rejected into the interview. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Same situation here. Some students are confidently giving the wrong answers.
Because it's a command line tool, no, sir?
Curl is a client URL that we are accessing that particular.
Yeah, kind of correct. Client URL means they're saying,
Client. Yes.
they're saying, please mute yourself. There is a lot of background noise is coming from your side. Guys, understand, please. Okay. Be in a silent room, please. Okay. Yes. Otherwise, I will not give you opportunity to talk. Curl, if you want to go to any of the external website, you want to connect or you want to see the connectivity, you want to see the client URL, or you want to connect to the some external website, then we can use the curl command. And with the help of this curl command, I'm getting some IP, which is called external IP. This command, if I will run in my browser also, let's check it. What will happen? I'm checking in my browser curl.me. Okay. You can see that this is my IP, my Windows machine IP address, and all these things are showing. Cool. Okay, cool. Now I'm going here. Now the third command, uname. If you will run the command uname, okay. I'm running the command uname, UNAME. As soon as I press enter uname, it is telling that it's a Linux flavor. Yes, it's a Linux flavor. That's why it is called. Yes, Samant. I don't know whom he is talking. Okay. When I'm running the uname command. Sumant, your headphone is not good. Okay. Please be on mute. Uname, if I run the command uname, the Linux is giving the answer. It will display the flavor on a high level that this is my Linux flavor. Now, if I want to check more detail about my Linux flavor, the uname -a means I'm just expanding that, or all details should come here. I just press the command uname -a. Now all the detail about this machine is showing. Linux, Viraj machine. Okay. This version into the Google Cloud, which is of Ubuntu, which has been created on this date, and some which architecture design or which architecture or how much which hardware I'm using. I'm using the GNU Linux, which is of 86 board, or these details are showing here with the help of uname -a command. Cool. And Nagwali has told that he is telling that explain curl command again. With the help of curl command, we can connect to the external URL and get the information. Okay. Here, if you will see that I have connected to the external URL if config.me from my browser, and I get my external IP in my Windows machine. If I run the same command, let me close unnecessary thing. Okay. If I run the curl command, ifconfig in the Linux machine, I get an external IP of my machine. Okay, which is showing, where is that? Curl, and which is showing that this is my external IP of the machine 3442. 3442, where exactly it is? 3442. This is the external IP of this machine. Cool. Yes, no.
Yeah, because.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, try to step up. Go ahead.
In my case, sir, hostname and hostname -i shows the same result.
Where you are running?
AWS EC2.
Shall not be. Oh, maybe you have not choose the machine name. Okay, you have created the
Sorry,
machine,
sir?
but you have created the machine, but you haven't give the machine name in the AWS. If you will not give, it will come as an internal IP only.
Okay.
You have to give the name of the machine. You haven't decided the name. We have decided the name Viraj. That's why it is giving the Viraj name. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Cool. Good question. Okay. So let's go here. Let's see some more commands, guys, please. Okay. And ls, the ls command, which is very common. If you want to see what all things are available into the current location, how many files are available, with the help of ls command, we can able to see it. Okay. The pwd command. What is the full form of pwd?
Present working directory.
Correct. means wherever you are available right now, you can run the pwd command and you will get the answer that I am into the root folder. What is this root folder? What is this root folder? It's a C drive of the Linux machine. That's it. It's a C drive of the Linux machine that is called root folder. Cool. All good till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, Vikas, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the next command is cd. Okay. I'm going cd. I want to go to some location. Let's assume I want to go to the temp location. So I'm doing the command cd change directory and I'm just giving the location temp. As soon as I will press enter, earlier I was into the root location. As soon as I run the change directory and I given the temp folder, this is the temp folder, and now I'm inside the temp folder location. If I will run the pwd command, present working directory, inside a root, there is a temp folder. So it is showing like this. In the Windows also is showing same thing. Okay. See, my mobile stream location is C user admin download mobile stream, this location, right? Yes, it's the same thing in the Linux also. Okay, cool. Now, let me go more deeper into it. Now, I am running the command mkdir. If I will ask the question with you, you have to create a directory in the Windows machine. How you will create it? Can anyone help me out?
mkdir file.
In Windows, my question is in Windows.
So right click new folder. With PowerShell.
Right click, go to the new, click on folder, give the name, who is giving the answer, Safi. Yes, and the machine has been, and then the folder has been created. Folder, or you can call as a directory, both are correct. This is how we can create a folder in Windows machine. Now, if my requirement is very simple, how to create in Linux machine, the command is mkdir. mkdir. I'm creating a same folder SAFI and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, one folder has been created. How can I check this folder? What is the command? What is the command?
ls.
ls. Listen, if I will type ls, my god, so many things are available into this folder, but you will see that Safi folder is also available here. Now I want to go inside the Safi. I'm again doing the change cd SAFI, okay, and press enter ls. Now I'm inside the Safi with the help of change directory command. Till now, okay? Yes, no?
Yeah, Vikas.
Now, with the help of mkdir command, I created a directory. Now my requirement is I need a file. I want to create a file. How to create a file? In the Windows machine. Tell me how to create a file. Guys, Windows, give the answer, please.
Right click new.
Right click new, and I have to take the help from some software and then I can create it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I'm giving a new text. I'm creating a name Omar. Okay. Yep. And the Omar file has been created. Now, here also I have to do it. Now, give me the command for Linux.
Touch.
Touch is a command. With the help of touch, I can create a file into the Linux machine. TOUCH. I'm running the touch OMAR Omar and I'm pressing enter. Omar file has been created. With the help of ls, I can check it. Yes, Omar file has been created. Cool. Digestible. All okay till now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Fresher who never opened the Linux also is okay?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Okay. Now I'm going again to my PPT. Okay. Yes. Touch. Let's guys mute yourself. Okay. Now leave it. Okay. Now let's assume I teach around 10 commands to you or 5 commands to you. I want to see the history of that. What all commands I have teach to you. Okay. So I'm running one command that is called history. HISTORY. As soon as I press enter, till now I have run the 19 commands in front of you guys. Okay. So with the help of history command, it will give all the details of this command. Let's assume you don't know, you have a doubt what is the pwd command. Okay, let's assume you forgot what is pwd command. So there is a one more command for that. If you will say that, can you please explain me this command? He will explain you. What I have to do it, the command is man. That is called manual. Man, I'm just doing the command pwd. I'm just pressing man pwd. And as soon as I will press enter, it will give the detail of the pwd command. What exactly it is telling? Print name of the current or working directory. Super. Present working directory location it is showing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Let us assume today you learn 20 commands. Tomorrow you will learn 20 more commands. Day after day you will learn 20 more commands. You know 80 commands and you forgot 1 or 2 commands. You can take the help from the man command, manual command. Okay. He will give you the detail that is called man command. Okay. Whatever I am skipping at this point, I will teach into the tomorrow class. Okay. No worries. Who am I? The next command is who am I? WHOAMI. From the English, you are able to understand what exactly he want to say.
Who logged in?
By which user I logged in?
Which user is logged in? I am typing who I am. At this point, I have logged in or I am working with the root user. So it is telling root. If I'm a Vikas user or whatever the user, it will give the information of that current user. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Any question here? Whatever I have teach. Whatever I skip, it's okay. Tomorrow we will see it. But whatever I teach, is that fine?
Yeah, Vikas.
Cool. Okay. Now I'm coming to the another command, PS. In the Windows, if I want to see how many running processes are available, how to check it in Windows? Can anyone give me the Windows answer?
Task manager.
In the task manager, you can go and you can see this many processes are running at this point. Zoom is running, NVIDIA controller is running, so many Zoom related, Chrome, so many things are running. That is called process. If you want to see the same thing into the Linux also, you can run the command PS. With the help of PS command, you will see the running processes. With the root user, only 3 processes are running. That's why I'm getting only 3 processes. Okay. Now, sir, this is not satisfied. In the Windows, how it is good, CPU, memory, everything it is showing, right? Can you show the same thing into the Linux machine? Yes, possible. Guys, what is the command to open the task manager into the Linux machine?
Top.
Good, I get an answer. Yes, the command is TOP. Let me make a full screen. Okay. Okay, let me clear the screen first. If you want to clean the screen, just run the command clear, CLEAR. As soon as you will press enter, it's clear. Okay, now I'm running the command top. As soon as I will run the top command, the process manager or task manager has been opened into the Linux machine. I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, from this much time, this machine is up. Okay, from the last 1 hour, this machine is running. 1 user has been logged in. How to check how many users has been logged in into this Windows machine?
Who?
There's an option, Vikas.
What is the option?
Uh,
Who? Okay, no.
Users.
User.
You have to click on the user.
Admin, yeah.
Admin is running. Okay. In the Linux also, you can say that 1 user is running. With the help of who command or whoami command, you will get the answer. Okay. Load average of this machine. Total tasks, 101 tasks are running. Total 101 are running, and inside that 1 task is running, 100 are sleeping. Okay, Linux has a very good thing. If it's not running, it will go into the sleep so that CPU memory will not get consumed. Okay, something is stopped, something Zubi, something related to CPU, something related to memory, something related to the swap memory, something related to the processes. Means it's a terminal or it's a task manager for the Linux machine. It's a one of the interview question. What is the task manager in the Linux machine? The command is top. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, slowly we will explore more into this part, but with the help of top, task manager will get open. Okay. Now let us assume you have written one file. Okay. If I will tell you the simple requirement again, you have to create one more file with the name something. Anyone please unmute your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
Kavya.
Kavya. Okay. My requirement is I need a Kavya file. Okay. So I am going here. How can I create a Kavya file? Definitely I have to take the help from some software, right? I'm taking a text document and I'm creating a file KAVY. Okay, I created a file. Now my requirement is I want to edit something into this file. Guys, how can I edit into this file? Can you please help me out?
Double click, open, and write something.
Double click and the Kavya file will be get open, and I'm writing IMLEARNIN learning LINUX. Okay, my first day. Okay, I written this, and how can I save it?
Control S, sir.
Control S means something we have to do, then only it will get saved automatically. Nothing will happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree? Nothing will happen automatically. We have to click on the file, we have to click on save, then this file has been saved, the details has been saved, and size will get increase of this file. If I have to do the same activity into this Linux machine, can you please help me out?
Cat command, sir.
No.
Cat or VI.
Sir, cat VI.
Yes, with the help of VI, VI is the editor into the Linux machine. With the help of VI editor, I'm creating a file KAVY. Okay. As soon as I press enter, I will be landed into this file. Now I'm going little bit fast. No need to worry. VI, I have to explain you tomorrow in a proper way. Okay. My first file and my first Linux day. Okay. I have just written it, whatever I have written into that. Now my requirement is again, I have to save it. In the Linux, how to save the file? Any idea? Anyone?
Escape colon
Escape colon WQ.
Yes, escape column WQ. With the help of W, I am just save, and with the help of Q, I am quit and I am coming out. I just press enter, and one file which has some information is available here. Now my requirement is I want to see what has been written into this file.
Now you can use cat command, sir.
Now I can use the cat command, cat Kavya. Okay, and now if I will press enter, whatever has been written, it will be visible. So what I want to say that with the help of touch, empty file will get created. With the help of VI editor, you can edit the file. With the help of cat command, you can read the file.
Oh, you can run the file.
Read the file, not
read the
file. Guys, got the difference? Touch, VI, and cat. Three different commands, three different uses on the file level. Yes, no.
Yeah, because.
Okay, and that's it for today. I'm just running the history command, HISTORY, and in the today's class, we have run this 27 commands. I'm giving you this list of 27. Just spend 10 minutes time and understand this 27 commands. That's it. And your today's learning is more than enough. And I'm giving you this here. Okay, all 27 command into the chat box. You can copy and paste it. Some days, but after some days, we will move into the GitHub. Okay, and guys, this PPT I have already uploaded into the drive. Where is the drive? You can go here, which you already have the access for this drive. Okay, this PPT is available into the module 2 Linux administration, and here is the PPT available which I have uploaded before the class itself. Okay, you are feel free to go. Don't learn the next thing and don't disturb the tomorrow class, please. Okay. Because some student will learn this part and disturb the class, that I don't like. Okay, if you learn it, well and good. It's a revision for you. Fine.
So where is the day 4 video PPT drive, sir?
Where is the day 4 video?
Day 4 PPT drive, sir.
Day 4 PPT drive. Where is day 4 PPT drive? Means you are asking video or PPT? PPT, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3 is available here. 4th is already inside it. In the 4th means everything is in the same. Linux is completely into the single file. Yesterday we saw the operating system, we saw the Linux theory, we saw this. These are the yesterday and today's mixing, and everything related to Linux into the single file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yeah.
Any question? Guys, how's the today's class?
Good, because.
Able to understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. How to get that drive link?
Ravindra, you are my student, right?
Yeah.
Just message me on the WhatsApp. I will give you the link. I think you already have the access.
Yeah, I think I have.
You already have the access. I will tell you. Okay. I will show you. You have the access. Okay. See,
Yeah,
if
I
you
have,
if
but
you
I
don't know, guys, if you
follow the
forgot
link.
it, link anything, go to this place. Go to the description. Okay.
Oh,
In the not overview, in the description, here is the all drive access. Show more. Here is the access, PPT drive, video drive, classroom, all the access are there in the description.
thanks. I will get it from there.
Okay. Yep. Cool.
Because classroom link will be same for batch 31 and 32.
No, classroom will classroom
Link.
classroom link will be
It's
different.
showing batch 31 only. Yeah. It will be same for.
No, it's a different. If it's same, I will change it. Okay, no worries.
Yeah, it's showing
Okay.
batch 31 only, the link which you are
No worries.
tagged.
It's a different. Okay.
Okay.
Classroom, we will reach it in next 4 or 5 days. If it's wrong, I will update it. No worries.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Because sir, Red Hat certificate mandatory because sir for jobs.
Nothing is mandatory. No, knowledge only mandatory.
Knowledge only. How to get any job calls for cloud?
At this point, first you have to learn it. Then only job calls will come. I will teach you. Umar, you know how to get a calls. Okay. You will get a call from the referral. You will get call from the Naukri profile. Okay.
You're not getting any calls from Naukri profile.
But Umar, see, the worst truth is, if you get a call, it's difficult to crack it. Okay, your answers are not very correct.
Yeah.
Trust me. Okay, I told you this thing multiple times. Right?
Yeah.
Right? Your answers are not very correct. Okay, give the mock interview to me. Come to the proper level. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. What else, guys?
Because just a request. Like,
Go ahead.
if possible, please try to upload the video during the daytime, so that we can.
No. See. The it's going on the YouTube. That's why it's coming on the night. From tomorrow onwards, within next 10 minutes, we have a script. Okay, automatically it will be in the 10 minutes. It will be in your drive. Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. Yes, 10-15 minutes maximum. You don't have to worry. What else?
For the AWS registration tomorrow.
GCP. We will create a GCP account tomorrow.
GCP account tomorrow. Yes, valid. You said we will require a functional email address and credit card. So
only minimum requirement, Gmail ID and credit card. Credit card should be up and running, working credit card, and international transaction has to be enabled into the credit card. That's it.
And what is the fee like for the registration?
Google Cloud is free. Only 1 rupee INR will be chargeable. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Only 1 rupee just for the verification. In 24 hours, in 48 hours, that 1 rupee or 2 rupees, whatever they will charge, they will refund you. Okay. Google Cloud account is free for everyone. GOOGLE, Google Cloud account creation. Okay, let me show you. No need to worry. See, 90 days free trial. You don't have to worry. Okay, it's a free trial. They will provide it to you free of cost. Okay. Whatever we are going to use, that everything, the amount will be get debited from this place itself. Nothing from our card, nothing from our account. Okay. As soon as we will create account, free credit will come to our account and we are going to use this free credit. Okay. Tomorrow I will teach, no worries. From my side, nothing will be chargeable for you guys for anything. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Vikas, I have a question.
Right,
so we created virtual machine in Docker. We can change the configuration, right? It's possible or it's a default?
It's a playground. You can't change anything. That's a restriction.
Okay. Understood.
That's
Thanks.
a playground. It's a someone else's place, right? They are just giving you for the learning purpose or for the play purpose. That's it.
Okay, but we had option in AWS account. Means we can select.
AWS is not a playground. It's an infrastructure as a service. They are giving the infrastructure. You can customize as per your requirement. They will charge you accordingly, right?
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
See, you are going to someone's playground and you are telling, this is a football, I will play the cricket there. They will not allow you, right? Agree?
Yeah.
Right? Cool. Yep.
Because in the PPT drive, I could see like the DevOps PPT is missing.
Where you are seeing? Which DevOps PPT? The today's
Uh,
class?
No, yesterday's class.
Okay, cool. Very good. Let me upload it right away. Thank you. Thanks for this informing me.
Yeah, this one.
Yes, done in the next 1 minute.
Now, Vikashi,
Yes,
in the, in the playground, we have something like a time limit.
Yeah, there is a 4-hour limit, but it will never expire. Okay. After 4 hours also, you can refresh it and you can use it.
Okay.
Thanks, Kavya. Thanks for letting me. Okay. Yes, it's uploaded. Yep. It's what else? Everyone has the access, right? Anyone who don't have the access, please let me know. I will give you the access right away. If all good, thanks for your time. Thank you. Happy learning. Please continue. Please please practice it. Okay. And within 2 months of duration, you will be a cloud and DevOps engineer. Means within 2023 only, I will make a cloud and DevOps engineer.
Sure, Vikas.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye bye, guys.
Nice
Thank
day.
you.
Bye-bye.
Yep. Thank you. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.